Today I am going to show you how to turn your mobile phone into AI powerhouse. We are going to install one single application, that completely free application that let you chat with advanced AI model and generate incredible AI images. 100% offline, nobody is tracking your prompt, no internet is required, and run it entirely on your device. So my name is Chris and you watching Technical Chris. If you watching this channel first time, then like this video and consider the subscribe button here. After that, let's move toward installation process. First of all, you can notice here I having this Xiaomi Pad 6 here, and it based on Android tablet here. So if I want to show in my phone specification here, so you can notice here it currently running on HyperOS 3.0.5.0, and here you can notice here Xiaomi Pad 6 and running on Android version 16. If you having another Android phone like Xiaomi phone, Redmi phone, Poco phone, Mi series phone, OnePlus phone, or any other phone, and if you want to install this application, and if you want to convert your device into AI powerhouse, then you have to install this application from Telegram here. I will provide Telegram link in description. You can check and install this application. Its name is Private LM. So by the help of this application, you can easily chat with advanced AI, and you can create incredible image in your phone without internet here. So after installing, this type of interface appear here. So you can notice here 4 section appear here: chat section, model section, server section, and setting section. So first of all, you can notice here in model section, here is you can notice here lots of model appear here. So you can notice here some model for chat here. You can notice a general chat model, fast and smart. Some model for low end device here, some model for lightweight text model here, some model for image generation, some model for different purpose here. So you have to read all these type of things, then you have to install model according to your choice here. So maximum you can notice here 0.8 GB to maximum 7 to 8 GB model appear here. And also you can notice here image generation section. Here you can notice here only model appear here for image generation. If you select image generation, and in uncensored, you can only generate image or only text, no any additional file you can attach here. And in vision section, you can notice here 2 model appear here. So if you want to install, then you can install here. In settings, you have to change something here. So first of all, you can notice your appearance. You can select according to your choice: light mode, dark mode, or system default here. And if you want to increase font size, then you can increase here. In device section, you can notice my device show as high-end device here. Its RAM is 8 GB RAM, and I can run here 3 7B models here, and processor is Qualcomm. If your device is mid-range, then you can install another AI model. And after that, you can notice here model parameters. So you have to select here GPU for faster creation and fast response here. And if your device is crashing, then you have to select here auto fast or CPU safe here. So a temperature, if you want to increase, then you can increase certain here. And max token, you can increase here recommended max token. So in my case, you can notice here recommended max token is 2048. And context size you can increase gradually or slightly here. And after that, you can notice here image generation parameters. So you can notice here recommended max 8. So you have to select here maximum 8 or 9 you can select here. And if you select 10 or more than 10, then your device will crash here. So you have to select here 8 or 9. If recommended 8, then you can select here 9. If recommended 9, then you can select here 10. After that, you can select here in image bench end, you can select here GPU. And if your device will crash, then you have to select here CPU. By default, you can select here CPU if you having Android phone here. So after that, let's try this some model here. So I'm going to first try here chat model here. So I am going to try this model. So first download this model. After that, you have to tap on load here. So its size is approximately 2 GB, 3 GB. And after that, after loading, you can ask any question here. For this, you have to select here chat section here. After that, if you want to ask any question, then you can ask here. So for asking any question, you have to select here chat model here. If you want to create any image, then you have to select here image creation model here. So you can notice here I'm going to ask here how phenol is formed with chemical reaction. So you can notice here answer is appear here, but you can notice here slightly it's take lots of time here. So you can notice here approximately it take around 10 to 20 seconds to answer this question. So if I compare with online AI chat section here or chat tool here, so it's too much slow here. But if you did not have internet connection, then you can use this type of AI model here. So it's completely offline. So another question I'm going to ask here: how much people exist in this world? So wait here. So you can notice here this type of answer appear here. It's tough to give an exact number, like this type of answer appear. After that, I'm going to try another tool. It's a image generation tool here. So I'm going to try this cyber realistic V8 tool here. So I have already downloaded lots of model here. I have already tried lots of model here on my device. After that, I'm going to create this video here. So I'm going to try this cyber realistic V8 here. So after I tap on chat section, and here you can notice here image generation 8 step here and 384 px with CPU here. So if you want to increase a step, if you increase a step, then image will create much accurate here, and also take a lots of time to create one image here. If you increase 9 step or 10 step, then it's take a lots of time. So I'm going to show you previous history here. So you can notice I have already created a image of dog here, and it take around 7 to 8 minutes to create this type of image here. So if you want to try this tool, then you can try this tool here. That's all about today's video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video. Thanks for watching this video.